Hey guys, so today I got another package in the mail and I already opened it because I don't know, I like opening my packages in the mail before I make a video of them. And I got a fidget spinner from Wish, and it is a Batman fidget spinner. It's a red Batman. I'm pretty sure I have like a blue one or a black one coming here, and I have 5 more fidget spinners coming in the mail. So this is what it looks like. It kind of has like a weird thing right there on this, right there, and it spins pretty well. I don't know how long it spins or anything like that, but I kind of want to see how long it spins. So I'm going to make another video showing you guys how long it spins for. I don't know how long it will, but I'm gonna kind of like time it. And yeah, so I hope you liked this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. If you didn't, give it a thumbs down. I don't really know which one you want to do. And subscribe. And if you are going to thumbs down, please just don't do anything. And if you are going to give me a thumbs up, then give me a thumbs up, okay? Okay. So I hope you like this video. Bye guys!